Okay, let's do it, buddy. I'm Maurice. I went to wal-mart with my friend, and then he suggested me to buy some mechanical pencils. They were expensive to me, but he told me he would like me to buy them, and then he would teach me how to buy them. This is the first time for me to use mechanical pencils. And then I would like to learn, you know, how to use mechanical pencils, like what is pretty cool about mechanical pencils. And then Mr. John Klein is going to teach me how to use mechanical pencils. I'm very eager to learn how to use mechanical pencils because they were pretty expensive to me. Okay.
This is John Richard Klein, the cassette master, and I will be teaching Maurice how to use some special mechanical pencils.
Yay! These mechanical pencils are pretty fancy, you know, they have a lot of fancy stuff. This one, its brand name is Pinter. Another one is Uniball. They have a lot of stuff, you know. You can refill the pencil. You can use it, like Ricky told me, you can use it for the rest of your life if you are able to keep them. If you are very okay. So I'm going to open them up. I think I will start by this Pinter one. I see that it is engineered to last. You know, it's made to last for a longer time. That's what it means. And then I'm trying to open it. So, do you think this is the right way to open them? Okay. Okay. See. What's next? I got it. Okay. Yeah, I see the. Okay, I see. I have already opened them. This one is the first. And then these are the next parts of it.
The lids, and then that's the refill eraser.
Okay, this is the refill eraser. Okay. Okay, so how should I use them? Because I don't know how to use mechanical.
Click the lid out.
This.
Click it several. One more time. That's good. Now right.
Okay. This is the first time for me to use a mechanical pencil.
You like the feel of using it?
Yeah, it's pretty cool, you know. It doesn't occupy a lot of place, you know. Yeah, this is a cool pencil. I like it.
Do you like it better than wooden pencils?
Yeah, of course I do, because wooden pencils are not convenient. This pencil is convenient to use. Learning how to refill a mechanical pencil. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
So how do you think you would refill this mechanical pencil?
I think I would open it and then refill it. What do you think?
Indeed. Which part do you think you'd open?
I will try to find the part which is openable. And then I think the openable part.
You do not unscrew that part, though.
So
that's not how you refill it.
Let's see.
You are
I mean, this
cold, but you were warm.
I think this.
No, not there. Try the other end.
There is no any other part which is openable.
Let me show you.
Wow.
There's the pencil lid, sticking out. So if you want to put more leads in, open up the lead container, and very carefully, because this is easy to break, of course. Take out a couple leads and drop. Sorry, it's not showing good on the camera. Drop them inside. Not going in there with the ease that I expected. I guess this one you want to do one at a time. Drop them inside the barrel. Then put the eraser back. So that's why there's these refill erasers with it, because you can put a refill one on. And then don't lose the cap. Then and then this one here, the twist erase. See if you can refill this one. If you can do it.
I think.
Oh, let's put the cap back on.
Let's put this stopper back on. Okay. So, I think I'll just open this openable part also. This one. How do you think?
Pull it apart.
This one?
Yeah.
Like this? Oh, wow. And then what's next?
The leads go inside there.
I have to open up these reds. Reds. And then just take one of them?
Yeah, as many as you need.
I think I just need one. I'm done. And then I should keep it.
Push it on harder.
Like this?
No, push it on the pencil harder.
Like?
Yes.
I think I break it.
No, it's not broken.
Okay.
So you have an extendable eraser. Now do a writing test.
Like this?
Yeah, try writing with it.
So I'm going to do a test. This test. This is the first time to use a mechanical pen on my first test. This is a test for my discrete math class, and then I'm going to do like combinatorials, simple circuits, yeah, then let me do some kind of calculation. Blackjack games for 2 times C3 4 times combinatorial of 5 and 2. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm done for my test. Let's see.